Okay, I'm on my way now to town, and then I need to get my Satria to be for the oil change, and then maybe I'll do the radiator flush, and then we'll see from there if we still have time, and if the shop is open. I will go to the window shop and get my back window fixed. I'll show you later what's the problem with the window. This car has been aged. I mean, more than 15 years, this car. So I need to get it done. Otherwise, every time I close the door, there's this sound. And if you can hear inside my cabin, there's a slight knocking, tuk, 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 like that, and actually that's the exhaust. So I've been looking for times and looking for the right exhaust to be changed, but I am not done yet. So soon I'm hoping to change the exhaust. I'm searching for original exhaust, actually. The Satria GTi original exhaust, 2 lips. So yeah, if anyone do have the original exhaust, please comment below and give me your offer, how much you would like to sell it, and if the price is good, maybe I'll take it. You know, you never know. So but at this moment, this is critical. I need to get the oil change and fix the window and maybe the radiator. Right, see you later.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, now I'm at the window DF Auto Winscreen service. So this is the problem here. I need to get that fixed. Okay, so I need to change the whole silicone. That's the problem. Yep. So it is better to change the whole silicone and fix it properly.
Dia nak save kan kau, dia kata lekah je janji kata.
Boleh. Buat betul-betul lah, nanti boleh tahan lama. Sekarang PKP banyak projek ah, banyak job ah. Kurang ah?
Ejen macam 50 kurang.
Oh. Sekarang semua efek ah.
Kau bisa pun ikut lah.
Ya.
Dia 10 megam. Sampai susah. Nampak?
Oh.
Nampak?
Nampak?
Tak balance.
Tak balance.
Dia sampai sini lagi putus.
Okey, dia tak mau macam tu ah. Tak boleh.
Ini kalau kata sekarang kalau cara macam ni dekat depan awak yang sudah keluar macam ni.
Okey. Dia kena satu lah saja semua.
Ya, sambung ujung sama ujung saja.
Okay. Jangan ada gap ah.
ni tingkat jangan turun tepi.
Pasal apa? Oh, tak nak ada tolak luar.
Kalau dia masuk angin dia mesti tolak belakang.
Okay. Pressure lah. Okay. Settle lah ni. Okay ah? So, sudah habis? Bayar saja. Okay guys, just finished my windscreen. Apparently the silicone has been hardened, so it need to be replaced. A good service by this guy called Fung in Seri Iskandar. Here's the brochure. So DF Auto Screen Service, windscreen service. So apparently he has another shop that also provide auto services, means like accessories, car accessories. And then he also do claim for accident. So he told me that if I need his help, just give him a call. He's a nice guy, and yeah, I like his service. He even gave me a perfume, car perfume here. So I'm sure it's gonna be nice. Yeah. So I'm happy today. Everything is done. Now it's 12:33 PM. So I've done my oil change, my radiator, coolant, and my windscreen, rear windscreen. Was thinking about doing my exhaust, but I think I wait for that later on, maybe next budget. Alright, so bear with me guys, stay tuned.